Welcome to Morocco. Join me on this epic journey where I try to discover just some of the many hidden secrets this amazing country has to offer. Its food, its culture, its music, its nightlife, its beaches,
and of course anything else that might just happen to come along. Hello, little fella. And welcome to Agadir Airport. I've arrived. I'm in Agadir, I'm in Morocco. Look at that. Welcome to Morocco. That's all I can say. Happy days. Arriving at Agadir Airport. Hundreds of them trying to sell you SIM cards. Oh, this is the baggage area. So first thing first, trying to find an ATM. There's one here in the airport, bit of a queue. Get myself some money changed up, draw some money out so I'll pay for my taxi. Right, loads of people pick up their guests for the hotels and that, I guess. I won't be getting none then, I've got your taxi. Agadir Airport. Oh, first things first, definitely grab myself a cigarette. Right, I didn't get money from the cash machine in the airport because there was a massive queue. The taxi driver just said, follow him. They get one on the way. Happy days. Costs 200 baht. 200 baht. I thought I was in Thailand for a second there. It's cost me 200 dirham to get to my hotel, which is in Agadir. There's a good taxi man here, and that's the average. That's a pretty standard price. That's what you're going to pay, about 200 dirham. So if anyone tries to charge you any more, then don't take it, and always ask the price before you take the cab. Simples. There is a bus here as well apparently that goes to Agadir. Don't know how much that costs. But anyway, following this gentleman because he's a taxi driver. Managed to collar me as they do. Seems like a nice gentleman, so go with the flow. So that's my taxi I'm getting. I'm checking into the Sud Bahir hotel here in Agadir. It's costing me £18 a night. Absolute bargain. It is a little bit rustic, but you get what you pay for. As I say, it's £18 a night. Very basic. You get what you pay for. You've also got to pay, because I'm here for 10 days, they've charged me 140 dirham, which is about 14 quid tax, which is what you have to pay on top of your hotel when you book it. So just be warned that there is a tax to pay on top of your booking in some hotels. So I've arrived at the Souk Hotel. Beautiful cat come to say hello, my first friend. Anyway, checking out the room at the Souk. Nice shower, bathroom. Oh, there's a light. Bit of light on the matter. Toilet. Bath. Shower. Sink. These guys, they've got it absolutely nailed. Look at this. A proper foot sink. I can actually, at last, give my feet a good scrub without worrying about falling over. Absolute genius. I mean, who would have thought of it? Amazing. It's cost me 188 quid for 10 days. That, my friends, to me, is a bargain. Beds, work desk, TV, wardrobe. I haven't checked the Wi-Fi yet, but I'm hoping that's going to be okay. And a little patio to go out and have a cigarette if I want one. Window, if I can open it. And look at that. It's early evening, so I won't be going for a swim just yet, but tomorrow morning, that has got my name all over it. Happy days. First impressions, yeah, I'm liking this place already. It is actually the middle of Ramadan, so there ain't going to be a lot going on. But I'm happy with that because I just want to spend the first few days chilling out and finding my way around. Fantastic, happy days. Right, I fancy my first beer in Morocco, in Agadir. So I'm heading into Steakhouse restaurant. Okay. I just had my first beer in Agadir in a little bar restaurant thing. Yeah, £3.50 worked out to for a small bottle of beer. Oh my giddy aunt. I thought it was going to be cheap here. Looks like I could be mistaken. Let's hope that's just a one-off. My first night in Agadir, Morocco. I stopped off at this little place called Actors Studio. Fancied a beer, bad hair there. I've literally just got off my flight. What the hell? I'm starving hungry, so I've decided to stop here and have my first meal. And I've gone for a chicken kebab of all things. Well, it's Morocco, you know, that's basically it's going to be that, isn't it? Morocco, gin, that kind of food. Middle Eastern, how you doing? So, basically I've gone for a chicken kebab, 70 dirham, whatever they call it, which is the equivalent of around 70 quid. I'm doing 1 dirham for £1. Well, 10 dirham is a pound, basically, so 70 dirham is 7 quid. That wasn't too difficult, was it? I must admit, had a couple of sherbets, very nice too. So yeah, my first meal in Morocco. Chicken kebab, comes with chips and salad. Looking forward to this one. Let's check this one out. Right, my kebab has arrived. Some really bad karaoke going on in the background, but that's my chicken kebab. Looks absolutely delicious. Fantastic. When I go travelling, a lot of people call me a cheapskate, but I live by my means. I mean, at the end of the day, choice is yours. Whatever you want to spend, you want to go to the higher end, you can. Morocco's got it all. When it comes to beachside bars and cafes in Morocco, Agadir to be precise, you really are spoilt for choice. They vary in price from around 80 dirham to 150, 200 dirham for a meal. I tend to go for the lower end ones because there's plenty of them, plenty of choice, and a lot of them even serve alcohol. So contrary to popular belief, you can actually still get alcohol in these bars and restaurants.
All fed and watered, I'm heading back to my hotel room now for some well needed shut-eye. But join me tomorrow as I'll be going horse trekking in the Moroccan outback. Happy days.